Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today we're at the Holiday Inn Frankfurt Alte Oper, a business hotel located close to the Frankfurt Financial District, as well as the Old Opera House, hence the hotel's name. The 22 square meter standard room is the lead-in category room at this hotel. Immediately to the right is the compact bathroom, with an open concept WC and a single but large wash basin. Bath amenities are by the White Company. Due to the focus on environmental sustainability, it is rare in Germany and perhaps Europe to find single-use bath amenities. To save space, the shower head is installed with the bathtub instead of in a separate cubicle. Moving on, the room features a rather minimalist design with green and wood accents. There is a queen-sized bed with individual blankets. This is par for the course in Germany and helps reduce tensions with your roommate. There is a 32-inch LCD TV in front of the bed and a simple wooden work desk. Our room faced Mainzer Landstrasse, the main road. Thankfully, the room's soundproofing was adequate for a good night's rest. There's a small minibar counter with coffee and tea. And lastly, a compact wardrobe with a safe. Heading out, the hotel bar and restaurant are located opposite the reception desk. If breakfast is included in your room rate, this is where you'll be having it. In summary, for visitors to Frankfurt, this hotel is conveniently located and features modern, albeit compact, interiors at an affordable price. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the standard room at the Holiday Inn Alte Oper. If you liked our content and would like to see more, please do drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out. Thanks for watching. Till next time.